Hey, welcome back. Today we're going to look at a system called Instant OS. Instant OS is an Arch Linux-based distro that works out of the box but still aimed at power users. Everything lightning fast, flexible, and just works. In addition to the usual Arch packages, we also package for the Nix Universal Package Manager and Nix OS via Instant Nix. So we have some more information here. Overview, just works, power user friendly, ultra lightweight, feature rich, hybrid window manager, keyboard and mouse touch support community. So got it loaded up in a virtual machine. So let's take a look at it and see what it has to offer. And right here it says virtual machine detected. Would you like to switch to 1080p resolution? Yes. All right, and we're on. Welcome to Instant OS. Get started. All right, begin installation. This is a new type of installer, so let's see how it works. That's just downloading installer dependencies. Oh, I guess this is where the installer shows up. Has a little windows right here. All right, so just let it do its thing. Because welcome to the Instant OS installer. Click next. Okay. Select keyboard layout, US. Select language, English. Auto detect mirrors. Is this system a virtual machine? Yes. And I'll do other. American Los Angeles. Yep. Yes. All right. I'll set up a username. And a password. Edit advanced settings. Nope. Yes, sir. Continue. Says the installation will now begin. This could take a while. You can check install progress and logs by clicking 2. Keep the machine powered and connected to the internet. When installation is finished, the machine will automatically reboot. Okay, so I'll go ahead and pause the video for now and then come back once we are fully installed. And the installation is now completed, so I have some options here. Continue using live session or reboot now. So I'm going to select reboot now. And we are rebooted, and it says here, virtual machine detected. Would you like to switch to a 1080p resolution? Why, yes, I would. There was a message there about blur, but didn't get to read it. All right, this is it in all its glory, Instant OS. Okay, so the website said that this was a Arch Linux with the Nix OS package manager. So Nix OS and Arch, pretty much their packages pretty much are the same. So it's kind of overkill to have them both, but hey, if you can do it, you can do it. So this is our panel on top. This is our launch pad. It looks like Rofi. It looks like it's probably Rofi. But it's just crazy, yeah. All right, so your panel's on top. You have your times and other information here, and then you have your windows right here. So you have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You could add more. You have your power options here. So go back to 1, and then I believe this is our application launcher, and it is. So we have settings, terminal, info, documentation, key bindings, shutdown, and close menu. So let's take a look at the applications, which is this right here. And we have AR&R, fonts, managing, power. A lot of icons are missing right here, so you just have to go through. It's basically a Rofi menu, Rofi Launchpad. But let's take a look at the file manager and see what we got here. More than likely it's going to be files, and it is, it looks like. And we can see on the about. And the about opens up where you don't need it to. 45.2.1. And that's files. Then we also have a web browser, Firefox. So now that I got this, how do I actually close it? I guess I can always right click on it. That just moves it around. Quit Firefox. All right, there you go. That's what I like about these top panels. All right, so we took a look at files in Firefox. We have archive managers. Let's see what terminal that they have. I think they had Xterm and UXterm. It says welcome. Instant OS is using the terminal emulator and TMUX terminal multiplexer. Because of this, some things work differently. Select text is done with Shift plus left mouse button. Copy paste is Control Shift CV. Font size is set with Control plus or minus. Configuration is done with X resources or rolling your own ST build. Okay, got it. So since it's Arch based, let's do this. Sudo pacman. I saw we had HTOP already in the packages, but let's see if we can find NeoFetch. Probably should have done the SY first, but it looks like it is going to install, so let's just give it a check, and it's done. So we can do a quick NeoFetch, and I forgot the zoom in code already, but anyways, I'll just do it afterwards. But right here we can see we are Instant OS, and the kernel 6.6.12. And the desktop environment, Instant Window Manager. All right, so I just type exit, I believe, just to close it, and it does. All right. And we got HTOP right here, so we take a look at HTOP. Only using 386 memory. Not bad at all. Load averages in the 16s, 17s, and 7 dots at that. All right. And that's that. See if there's anything else interesting right here. Got NeoVim, main menu. What is main menu? Just close this down. And I'm looking for the to launch apps for Nix. So I believe I'll have to open up the web browser and Nix OS. And I gotta look for the packages. Let me go back over here. Nix packages. Search for a package. So what should I search? Let's look for LibreOffice. LibreOffice Fresh. And let's see. I believe it's going to use a Nix ENV. And this one right here for non. Now I can't remember if I gotta use a sudo or not. Alright, and there it is. LX terminal. Okay. Oh, even LX terminal doesn't allow you. So let's see how this works. Nix env. Did I copy the correct one? Yes, Nix env. And then it asks for a password. And we're installing LibreOffice using the Nix package manager. All right, looks like it's done. And I can go ahead and quit out of this. And let's see, do we got LibreOffice anywhere here? I don't see it. And I don't see it here. Okay. All right, well, it did install, but I think it's because it's Nix OS, it's kind of like in its own I believe like it's in its own box or something. But we can search right here, Libre, and we can't find it. So maybe what we should do is go back to Nix shell will temporarily modify your path environment. This can be used, try to use software. So Nix, when were Nix installed? Let's see, what file manager do we have? Files, Control H, show hidden files. So would it be under Instant OS? Probably not. I hate their programs, so sudo pacman is, and we'll do Nemo. Yes. Now let's understand the more human-friendly file manager. All right, we'll exit out of here. Nemo, where you at? Not files. And where did we go? We're not here. Am I going too fast? There it is. There's just no icon for it. All right. Now, see how easy that was? So, where would Nix OS install their software? There's only one way to find out. Would it be in bin? You know what? Let me go back to the web browser. Where does Nix OS store packages? Nix stores all packages into a common place called the Nix store, usually located at Nix store. Each package is stored in a unique subdirectory in the store, and each package has its own tree structure. I just started testing Nix OS and Nix a couple days ago, and I've been unable to figure this out. So basically my question in the title, if I enter my project directory, do a Nix shell, package, config, whatever, where does package stored on disk? Okay, you don't really install anything with Nix, more like expose packages in an environment. You ask Nix for package config and OpenSL, so it determines how to build those from source, then checks to see if the cache already has the built realized version of the packages. Nix OS cache already has them built, so it just downloads them and their dependencies. Since you use Nix shell, it will try to provide you with the shell on which to build the package. The contents of the bin directory get added to path include lib, Share and other directories get handled similarly. In short, Nix shell realizes the stored paths and the packages you asked for, then sets some environment variables. So programs can be aware of them. Once you go back to the parent shell, it would be unaware of those packages. So Nix store, I keep seeing Nix store. So let's go back to Emo. And I don't see a Nix store anywhere here. Share. Is there a Nix here? Nope. Not finding Nix, nothing. Alright, so it's not there. Would it be in bin? No Nix there. Oh, so etc. 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 Nix. Wow. It's not there. So let's go back to home. Instant OS. Monitor. Not there. Themes. Not there. Wallpapers. Let's go back to Linux Hub. Let's do hidden files. Antidote. Could it be there? Config. All right. Your guess is as good as mine as to where in the hell these Nix packages go. Sorry that I mean, I've used Nix before and it didn't work like this. Usually it just works and I look for the program. So you know what? I'm gonna try that. Let me try. Let me quit out of this. Let me try rebooting real quick. Okay, so we're rebooted. Now let's check to see if we can find LibreOffice. Customize look and feel. If I'm going too fast and I don't see it, then I guess I'm an idiot. But L is the only fucking lock screen. Something for L. Yeah, I'm not seeing Office. So let me try to search. Office. All I get is document viewer. Oh well. Looks like we're not gonna get a. Looks like we're not gonna get a. Take a look at that thing. So here's your theming system right here. So it's pretty straightforward. Looks like it's using LX Appearance. If you want to change your icons, you can do that here. Mouse cursor. All that. All right. So that's going to do it for this video right here. Instant OS. This is more for seasoned users and people who have time to look into the things. I wouldn't say it's a bad system. You know, everything works. It's just that the Nix OS thing is a little weird. But it installed and it's somewhere on this system. Just have to find it. I mean, I could just do a sudo pacman and then install it. Well, you know what? I'm talking it. Why don't I just do it? Let's just do it like that. Sudo pacman s libre office. Yeah, why even deal with the whole Nix OS thing? Like I said, the packages are pretty much identical for Nix OS and the AUR and all that. They pretty much carry the same thing. So right here, we're installing LibreOffice and it's going to work straight out the box. Once I'm done with the installation, I'll go into my application menu and it should be there. So let me just exit here, go back over here. There it is. See how easy that was? So yeah, if you're going to use it, just stay away from the Nix package manager, or else, unless you know how to use the system and you know what you're doing. But if you're not a seasoned user, then you're just better off sticking to Pacman. All right, so now that's going to do it for this video. All right, you guys, if this is something you're interested in, if you want to play around with it, get to know it, I'll have the homepage and download link down in the video description. All right, you guys, and I'm out.